Hi there, Smartguy 2 here. Hey everyone, Smartguy 2 here. Well, today we're going to watch Ratchet and Clank Life of Pi episode 1. And YouTube, don't search for me because I'm going to post just the first episode, okay? And the first episode is posted on YouTube. And yeah, the first episode has been posted on YouTube, and you can watch only on Canada the whole TV show. So don't judge me. I'm going to post just the first episode, okay? That is available on YouTube. Available on YouTube. I'm going to post just the first episode. Anyway, let's watch. Oh, it's Action Affairs. Made by Mandarin Studios. Oh, it's the Portal gun. From Portal. Sometimes entertainment. Where's the Portalizer thing do? Action Affairs. Ratchet and Clank!
Yes, I have accumulated the precise amount of coupons for one cosmic crust.
Ratchet and Clank! Ratchet and Clank! Ratchet and Clank! Ratchet and Clank! Jameson Hotel! David K!
A free cosmic crust pizza is nothing to get excited about. The box has more flavor than the pizza.
Flavor is not my primary objective, Ratchet. I find enormous satisfaction in fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals.
Yeah, but cosmic crust, it's only popular because their ads are everywhere. Okay, I think I'm done.
May we now resume our primary mission?
Secondary mission, Clank. Cardboard crust does not qualify as a primary mission. If it were up to me, we'd be going for a nice slice of testicles!
You guys should have Ratchet and Clank in the
Innovative options.
The only evasive option I need is Mr. Throttle.
Perhaps an alternate course of action.
I'm not done yet.
Oh god.
So, do we need to discuss the giant tentacle that just tried to yank us into oblivion?
Curious. It emerged from a short-term interdimensional portal.
Portal technology. Imagine what we could do with that.
Ratchet, I hope you're not
Tracing the energy signature of that hypertext so I can navigate.
Portal technology! Portal technology! Portal technology! Ratchet got invented by Portal technology! I don't better than Ratchet got invented by Portal technology!
Huh? So dear.
I don't believe that Ratchet got invented by Portal technology!
You promised.
Come on, Clank. This will be fun.
For you, yes. Your activities always take precedence over mine.
Okay, not true. I mean, yeah, look, what about that time? Yeah, well, okay, and this is gonna be quick. We'll just fly in, take a quick look, see what.
The well-fortified, nigh-impervious base of galactic supervillain Dr. Nefarious? Oh, dear. He brought you the world-shattering deplanetizer, then the soul-crushing bio-obliterator. Now, he's revealed his most terrifying, diabolical, and just downright...
Look! Zed! Zed! He's Zed! He's Zed with the movie! He's Zed with the movie! Look at Zed! Look at that! The war boss! The war boss! Dr. Nefarious! I've seen my man!
Thank you all for coming to my latest evil product launch!
Wait, we had a choice.
Mindless minions, behold! My most fearsome and dangerous weapon yet! The Portalizer! With this device, I can rip portals in the very fabric of time and space, even into other dimensions. Oh no.
Oh, yes. Come on, let's get closer. No know, Ratchet.
Such as the dimension of man-eating kittens, the land where
Oh, that's disgusting. That's disgusting, man. That's disgusting, man. Man eating kittens is disgusting. Man eating kittens is disgusting.
The calamari quadrant, and finally a domain brimming with creatures so ruthless, so blood-sucking, so terrifying, they'll make your head spin. My most recent discovery. Dad, I told you to make sure this thing was charged up. Did you calibrate it properly, sir? Calibrate it properly. I'll calibrate you. But did you set it to interdimensional instead of local? Of course I set it to interdimensional. As I was saying, the pizza bird.
The pizza what now?
Now, say hello to a 367 topping pizza.
Now that's a pizza. Ratchet, wait.
No matter, with this portalized...
I remember that we're actually going to steal the portalizer with Lost in Affairs into this episode.
Nefarious ranks. So help me conquer and rule all dimensions. And it comes with this handy lanyard.
Lanyard.
Hey, Ratchet and Clank, feed them!
Ratchet, what are you? Less talking, more escaping.
Wait, is that even a word?
It is now. See you later. And
Oh god! Oh god! Oh my fucking god! Oh my fucking god!
Slap and tickle! Find them! There they are, sir. My portalizer! No!
Oh, damn it.
yes, that was the best escape ever.
Uh-oh. That checksum of my coupon storage indicates an error. I now have only 9 minutes, not 10.
Really? I mean, we must have lost one of them during our awesome escape. Well, that's too bad.
It is far worse than bad. With only 9 coupons, free pizza acquisition is no longer an option. Oh, this never would have occurred if we did not detour from our mission.
Nah, come on. That was so cool, though. And now we get a great pie in the pizza-verse.
My distress is not about the pizza, Ratchet. It's about my failure to complete a numerical task.
You want numbers? How about 367 layers of deliciousness?
Stop this, Ratchet. This device is too unpredictable and dangerous to be used for...
Pizza-verse, here we come. So beautiful.
Stupid.
Pizza. No.
Man, that's so stupid. That's so stupid, man. That's so stupid.
Initiate control override.
What? Cut it.
Dimension could imperil the entire galaxy. All that to procure a pizza.
With 367 toppings, now give me back the control of my ship.
Ratchet, you have ignored all of my requests today, so now I am the operating system. I will return control once we safely deliver this fertilizer to the authorities.
This is about you losing that coupon, isn't it?
No, it is about me protecting our galaxy.
Yeah, now, you know what I mean. You and your numbers and functions and rules. Yeah, I mean, it's amazing we get anything done when someone keeps getting his little metal panties in a bunch.
Invalid data. I do not wear undergarments, metal or otherwise. Once this device is safe in the Galactic Weapons Museum, we shall return to our quest for pizza.
Cosmic crust barely qualifies as pizza, and every time you eat it, you gotta look at the ugly mug of that guy.
You're fired.
Captain Quark! Jam Ward! Jam Ward! It's Jam Ward! Go get Jam Ward! Jam Ward! Jam Ward! Jam Ward! Jam Ward! Captain Quark!
I could be a sassy pizza cow. Ooh.
Ugh. Whenever we run into this doofus, he messes everything up.
He annoys you, does he? Oh, Captain Quark, could you please accompany us to the Weapons Museum?
Clank, what are you doing?
It is like you said earlier.
Come on, Clank, this will be fun.
A weapons museum? Sounds like you're on an important mission to safeguard the galaxy, and keeping us all safe is what I do best. Come on, citizens. Nothing to see here.
Oh, such a bad idea, Clank. Where'd that idiot run off to anyway?
Sorry, guys. Almost forgot my associate. Never leave a man behind. So,
Tedium sorter. It tediously catalogs your most boring memories into different shades of beige.
Yeon.
Actually, it is a multi-dimensional access tool with the power to wreak havoc on the very fabric of time and space.
Ooh, that sounds like fun.
But it's gotta be protected, so it won't fall into the wrong hands.
Ow.
Right?
Clank? Indeed. Device security has been my goal ever since you carelessly deployed it to acquire a 367-topping pizza from the Pizzaverse.
A pizza with 367 toppings? That's way better than Cosmic Crust. Wonder if they need a new spokesmodel. Yeah, I mean, right this way. Welcome to the Weapons Vault, the most secure part of the museum, thanks to dedicated guards like Bruce here. All your favorite weapons are right here.
Oh my.
The Buzzblade, the Warmonger, the Bio-Obliterator.
Hey, watch it!
Whoops, my bad, Bruce. Of course, that pales in comparison to this bad boy. Come on, don't say that. Will hurt.
Perhaps we should secure the portalizer now. Once we initiate the upload procedure, it will be cataloged and securely stored.
Good. We don't need any more distractions.
Distractions? There are plenty of distraction weapons in this vault. For long-term distractions, nothing beats the Groovatron. If you're caught in its blast radius, you'll be in an
The Groovatron! The Groovatron! The Groovatron!
the Conquer. But my favorite is the Chimpo-Matic. No hard feelings, boys. You'll be back to normal before you can say lucrative endorsement deal. Baked him out with the old Chimpo-Matic. Now, let's see what this thing can do. So beautiful. Greetings, Pizzaverse. Say hello to your new spokesman. Hello there, little pizza toppings. You all look so happy and yummy. Same with you. And you. And you. Oh, no one likes pineapple on pizza. I am King Topping, supreme leader of the Pizzaverse. Really? Then you're just the one I need to speak to about a unique branding opportunity. Attack Toppings, destroy him! And do it Pizzaverse style, with freedom break to his doom. Stop that! Can this really be happening? After years of eating pizza, will pizza now eat me? I can't believe he used the Chimpo-Matic on us. I mean, who knows?
Quark's going to be eating by the pizza, guys!
Quark! What did you do?
Oh, nothing you two can't handle. Resistance is futile. Prepare to be annihilated.
A pineapple? Apparently a very angry pineapple.
Destroy him.
I mean, who puts pineapple on a pizza anyway?
Statistically speaking, the combination of sweet and savory flavors are enjoyed by many.
Statistically speaking, I am not one of them. And by the way, this is all your fault.
On the contrary, it is you, Ratchet, who obtained and misused a fertilizer.
Whatever! Let's pound these pizza posts before it gets any worse.
Marble and Scrappy Box! Return my fertilizer now, or suffer
Back to the face! Back to the face! Back to the face! Back to the face! Back to the face!
the rest!
Oh God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my fucking God! Oh my fucking God! It's a fucking war! It's a fucking war! 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 A fucking war!
Like to ourselves, none of this would have ever happened. But you, Clank, you don't have to bring us here.
And you, Ratchet, you suck.
Huh? What?
The sub-cannon. Thank you for your assistance. I shall retrieve more gadgets from the weapons museum. Well, you suck.
No, I mean, that's what I thought you meant. Sucks to be you.
Let me pass, or I shall deliver a disabling force upon your chassis. Very well. Hollow Knuckles, activate.
Nothing to fear, citizens. Captain Quark has got things under control.
Look, where's the portalizer?
I've got my top man on the job. He guards all of my important stuff. Hey! Don't leave me! Never leave a man behind!
Oh God! Sam, pick up the portalizer! Sam, pick up the portalizer!
Come on, Clank, we gotta speed this up.
Ratchet, raise your cranium. What? Heads out.
The Groovacon?
I've determined that this weapon will provide the greatest probability of success.
Well, it's better than nothing. Get ready to shake your groove thing. Way to bring on the boogie, Clank.
Thanks. No, it is I who should upload expressions of gratitude to you.
Yeah, well, good things happen when we work together.
Agreed. And I accept your apology.
No, that wasn't an apology.
Yes, it was.
No,
They have upgraded their defenses, but we can enter the facility here.
Okay, but how do we even get close enough to reach that? I mean, Clank? Clank! What are you doing?
It is called moving a Ratchet. Entry port located.
Oh God, let's go to the inside! Let's go to the inside! Let's go to the inside! Let's go to the inside!
Oh, too much.
Oh, so much for improvising. Oh.
You crazy little bot! Just get inside and I'll create a diversion.
Crazy! We're so crazy! We're so crazy! We're so crazy! We're so nuts! We're so nuts! We're so nuts!
Oh, look what the robots dragged in. A cat. Here, kitty kitty.
Actually, they carried me in, and I'm a lombax.
Don't interrupt me while I'm taunting you.
Totally different species. Shh, just saying.
Silence. You are what I say you are. And I say you are doomed.
Great, you made it.
you say something, Furball?
Oh, yeah, I said it'd be great to see some more of your evil product launch.
Well, I really do love my evil product launches. Let's go! Behold, a revolution in evil tech. I present to you... Cut my quark. Return my portalizer, you pathetic promotion like I'm gonna ride.
Oh, my pizza coupon.
Ooh. Scrappy butt. I should have known you wouldn't be far from your furball friend. For interrupting my product launch, you will be the first to suffer a very painful annihilation.
Oh God, my fucking God! Oh my fucking God!
No words, only a series of letters and numbers. SV-604.
Backup glove.
Now you've ruined my product launch. And you're ruining my space station.
I'm not your best friend.
Not again! It's happening!
Wait, Ratchet, we have to go back.
Why? So you can get this?
My pizza coupon.
Grabbed it on the way out. You didn't think I'd forget about you fulfilling system requirements to achieve output goals, did you?
How dare you? You'll have to forgive Bruce, Your Highness. It's his first day as a sheep. Well, my people will call you a peach. It's safe to come out now, citizens. Captain Clank has saved you all once again.
Yeah, thanks for saving us from a problem you created.
You're welcome, citizen.
Yeah, what a bonehead. I still can't believe you brought Quark along just to mess with me.
Yes, Operation Payback complete. Now the portalizer is secure and safe from both supervillains and superheroes alike.
Goodbye, 367 topping pizza. I guess a free cosmic crust pizza is better than no pizza at all.
To make that free and numerically satisfying cosmic crust pizza.
Proximity alert.
You did that on purpose.
Sorry, couldn't resist.
Not again! It's happening! Well, that it was fun. Well, it's over. It was fun. Well, that episode was fun. Well, Ratchet Clank Life of Pi. It was a TV show where Ratchet fansize on showing the pizza to the on visiting 370 coupons of pizza, the pizza first of Borderline to the Doctor Affairs, and Doctor Affairs is the antagonist of the game. There was a movie of the Ratchet Clank movie. There was a movie in 2016, and the PS4 reboot of the Ratchet Clank game, released in the same year, 2016. I never played the game. I don't play the game. I played the game on the PS4, but I never played the whole game. I don't play the whole game. I played the game on stores. But I don't play the whole game. And the Ratchet Clank movie, I watched it at the theater. I watched the Ratchet Clank movie at the theater. And now, the movie itself is really good. Well, some people criticize it, but I think it was good. Now, it's a very good movie and a really good TV show. And comments below if I need to do more content about this in the future. And what should I think I should do next? And do next. Comments below what I should do next. I do. Comment below what kind of reacts I should do next. Well, this is. I think I post this video in the channel, soon upload this soon as I can, and now this video has some quality content, and now this video has some quality content because Ratchet Clank is a really good, a beautiful masterpiece. Ratchet Clank is similar. My dad thinks that Ratchet Clank is similar to thinks that Ratchet is similar to Tales from Sonic the Hedgehog, but it's not. My dad, did you know that my father thinks that Ratchet is similar to Tales from Sonic the Hedgehog? Did you know that? Yeah, but it's not. Ratchet is a wombat and Tails the fox. It's not true. It can't be true. But, well, Ratchet might have some. Though, I played the game on my PlayStation 2 and PlayStation 3. And I played Ratchet Part 2 on the PlayStation 5 recently. But never to complete. But I'm going to read my channel too. Don't worry, I promise. My main channel. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to show more. If you want to see me showing more content like this in the future. If you want to see more content like this in the future, check out my content on the playlist down below, and check out my main channel, the link down below. And that's it. Goodbye. Love you all. See you guys next video.